Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials: your account level, currency, and event access. Verify you are level 30 or higher so the drop is available. Once done, secure 200 gold or the token equivalent to purchase. Make sure event notifications are enabled and your platform account is linked so rewards will deliver automatically. Begin the in-game event or boss rotation immediately. Prioritize time-limited challenges and track progress so you don't miss the initial acquisition window. Once you have access, focus on the specific challenge nodes that drop Swift Strike fragments and complete them repeatedly. Use damage boosts, consumables, and optimized loadouts to reduce clear time and increase drops per hour. This is why builds with burst damage matter. Make sure to coordinate with teammates or join public queues during peak spawn windows to guarantee faster clears and potential bonus drops. Track fragment counts and switch targets if drop rates slow to maintain efficiency. To finish, assemble the required fragments and purchase the final upgrade or vendor exchange to obtain the Swift Strike Hok. Equip it in the designated loadout slot to activate bonuses. Once equipped, test abilities to confirm stats and behavior. If you don't receive drops, relog and clear cache first, then repeat a short run. If issues persist, gather timestamps and logs and contact support. This troubleshooting step resolves most delivery problems, guaranteeing you either the item or a clear support path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.